นี่วิทยุกระจายเสียงแห่งประเทศไทย
Live from the Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government, this is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีครับ Today is Tuesday, August 21st, 2018, and this is Radio Thailand's Morning News Hour with me, Krachanwit Jachit.
And with me, Benjamin Ruchopakan.
Starting off our national news this morning. The Office of the Prime Minister convenes a meeting with 43 agencies in preparation to field public grievances during the mobile cabinet meeting. Meanwhile, the Acting Director General of the Public Relations Department is attending the mobile cabinet meeting in the southern provinces of Ranong and Chumphon.
Looking at the global scene, some 180 families torn apart by the Korean War are set to be briefly reunited in North Korea starting today.
On the business agenda, officials expect to see 900 million baht being generated during the Silapa Chief OTOP Fair at Impact Mueang Thong, Thani.
All those top headlines and many more coming up.
National News. Brought to you by Bangkok Airways, Asia's boutique airline. Now flying direct from Bangkok to Phuket 4 flights a week. Call 1771.
First up in today's national news. The Office of the Prime Minister has convened a meeting with representatives from a number of agencies in preparation to field public grievances during the mobile cabinet meeting. Meanwhile, Deputy Permanent Secretary for the Prime Minister's Office, Sompad Nilapan, convened a meeting with 43 agencies, including the Royal Thai Police, Royal Thai Army, and the Damrong Thom centers of Chumphon, Ranong, Surat Thani, Trang, and Patreshko provinces.